Hi everybody, I have a whole bunch of books by the same author and illustrator. You might remember some of them. So we're going to have fun over the next couple of weeks reading them. First though, let's do a quick number review. Haha, look who it is. Remember these guys? Let's just say the numbers or think about them in our head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you say 13? I thought so. 14. Were you thinking that in your head? 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23, 24, 25, 26. No, not 30. Ha, seeing if you're paying attention. 27, 28. No, not 30 yet. 29, 30. Okay. So we're going to start with this book. This looks really boring. If I looked at this, I'd be like, I don't know about that. It doesn't look all flashy and fancy like this. But inside, it's awesome. See the little guy on the front? It's a mouse. The story is called, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. The title is written right there. This is called the spine of the book. The author is Laura Numeroff, and the illustrator is Felicia Bond. Take a quick picture walk through the book. Just want to know, is this a true story? Are these things that could really happen? Well, there could be a mouse in my house, but I don't think it would be wearing clothes and looking in the mirror. So I'm going to say no, this could not happen. Let's see this. I have crayons, but no, a mouse is not going to be wearing an outfit and coloring in crayons. So definitely not a real story. A mouse in a cabinet? That could be, but not sitting on my lap with overalls. So what do we know? It's going to have a mouse. Not a true story, but fun nonetheless. The title, like I said, is right here on this. This is called the spine of the book. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. Ooh, 7 words in the title. The author, Laura Numeroff, and the illustrator, Felicia Bond. Let's find out what happens after the mouse has the cookie. What happens after the mouse has a cookie, and what happens at the end of the story. If you give a mouse a cookie. You see the cookie? See the mouse? He's going to ask for a glass of milk. You see the mouse? See the cookie? When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. See him right there. There's that mouse. Can you put your finger there? When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll ask you for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. he might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read him one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited that he'll want to draw one of his own, and he'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. And when the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. With a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's gonna want a cookie to go with it. And that's the end. So we talked about, with Corduroy and other stories, the sequence or the order of things in the story. I asked you to listen for what happened at the beginning after the mouse had the cookie. The first thing that he happened to want afterwards was, can you put your finger on it or say it? Milk. And then I asked you to find out what happened at the end of the story. Guess what he wanted again? After he had his milk, this time he wanted the cookie. So there were lots of things that took place during the story. Maybe you have a favorite part. Maybe you like this part where he jumped out of bed. Maybe you like the part after that where he was asking for the pen. Or maybe you like the part where he wanted to hang up his picture. Or maybe you like the very ending part where he had the milk and the cookie. I do love that book, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. And I can't wait to read some of these other ones, give you a sneak peek. I see a cat. Oh, there's our mouse again. Look at this one. Oh, a dog and a donut? Can it be? And then, aha, a pig and a party. All right, I'll see you guys soon.